Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Party Popper. Today, we're on a mission to prove that eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. I'm taking you on a budget-friendly superfoods haul, where we'll grab affordable nutrient-packed foods and turn them into easy, delicious meals. Let's go. First up, oats. A big container costs just a few dollars, and they're packed with fiber, great for digestion, and keep you full for hours. Perfect for overnight oats or energy bites. Next, lentils, cheap, high in protein, and so versatile. Soups, stews, or even lentil tacos, yes, please. Spinach is a leafy green superstar. Frozen is even cheaper and lasts longer. Blend it in smoothies, sauté it, or add to eggs. Eggs equals budget protein. At less than $3 a dozen, they're a no-brainer for scrambles, salads, or avocado toast. Bananas are nature's fast food, under 30 cents each. Great for smoothies, oatmeal toppings, or healthy, nice cream. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamins and fiber. Roast 'em, mash 'em, so filling and cheap. Mix oats, milk, a spoon of peanut butter, and toppings, leave overnight. Boom, breakfast for days under $1 per serving. Sauté garlic, onion, toss in lentils and broth. Simmer 20 minutes, protein-packed lunch for under $2 a bowl. Whisk eggs, throw in spinach, and cook. Serve with toast, a $1.50 power meal. See? Eating healthy can be easy and affordable. Which budget superfood is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Down finger and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a cheap plus healthy recipe. See you next time, bye.